Stars at midnight and shadows they bloom. Moonlight dances on the walls of my room. Ghostly murmurs drift through the air. In this tranquil silence I feel you there. Beneath the stars where the galaxies swim, dreams leave wonders on a whimsical whim. Echoes of time, a haunting refrain. In this peace we find no pain. Close your eyes, let the darkness sing. Feel the night, embrace everything. A lullaby of the unseen. In our whispers we dream. Hollow breezes through the ancient trees. Mystic secrets in the midnight seas. Silent stories by a candle's glow. In this hush we let go. Beneath the stars where the galaxies swim, dreams weave wonders on a whimsical whim. Echoes of time, a haunting refrain. In this peace we find our place. Close your eyes, let the darkness sing. Feel the night, embrace everything. A lullaby of the unseen. In our whispers we dream. Close your eyes, let the darkness sing. Feel the night, embrace everything. A lullaby of the unseen. In our whispers we dream. Hollow breezes through the ancient trees. Mystic secrets in the midnight seas. Silent stories by a candle's glow. In this hush we let go. Embrace the void where the cosmos collide. In soft obsidian tides we glide. Lost in the depths of night's embrace. In this calm we find our place.